All right, let's talk about the domain and range of a function. Remember, a function is where the domain has exactly one range, or the x's have exactly one y. The domain is the input values, or the x's, and the range is the output values, or the y's. So if we have this graph right here, ignore that little boo-boo, put it in the wrong spot. We need to talk about what the x's are and what the y's are. And so these ordered pairs will help us do that. This ordered pair right here is -3, -2. And then this one is -1, 0. And then this one is 1, 2. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. All right? So if they ask me for the domain is the x's. So here I will write domain is -3, -1, 1, and 3. My range, those are my y's. So these are my y's. And we don't have to write the y, let's see if they appear twice. Okay, let's see what they are. -2, 0, 2, and 4. I was thinking that something appeared twice, but it was negative and positive. So if it's written twice, I only have to write it once, but those were different ones. So that's my domain and range on those. Now, on this one, the red line goes from here up, across, and up again. My domain and range is going to be an interval of numbers. So for the domain, it's going to go from this point all the way to this point. So that means the x is between this number and this number. Well, this number right here is a -2, going left 2, and this number right here is a +3. So my domain, the x, will be greater than or equal to the -2, but less than or equal to the 3. I can read that as x is between -2 and 3. Remember, the smallest number goes on the left side, biggest number goes on the right side, and these are going to be less thans, and we are going to include them, so we need the lines up under them. The range is talking about how far you're going up or down. This is the highest point, this is the lowest point. Okay, so for the y's, that is a +2, and this one is a -1. So my range, I'm going to write y instead of x over here for domain. And then I'm going to put my less than or equal to's. We said the lowest point was -1, and the highest point is +2. So my range is between -1 and 2.